Lie down. Lie down. I say me lie down. As soon as small they give you weight day here. 200K, that's not small. Imule, what up guys? It's your boy Nasty J, aka Twitter Celebrity. I'm popular for this area if you ask. I did with my guy here, Busy Rex, alone. And I did with my big time boy here, my guy in that matter. VC. Okay guys, you get Wetin so you get one of my oga like that. Person wey contact me, tell me say he get one small loyalty test wey he wan do on him 2 daughters. So him talk say because the man dey stay for Dubai, so him talk say this him children now because say the mama die since when the children dey small. Now the mama die, so the man no dey stay for Nigeria. He comot go outside Dubai to go hustle for the children. They give the so then go fit support the children. The other one, he talk say the other one dey level 200, while the other one dey level 100. So he come talk say he don dey hear some information say the children dey do hookup. So they call and tell am say they see him pikin with different men, but him no believe am. This man wey dey tell you now dey pay him children, he dey give the other one wey dey level 200k upkeep for money for upkeep every month 200k, and the other daughter, he dey give am 150k every month. That is, this man is spending 350k for upkeep for him children upkeep every month. Omo, when I dey like that I no stand bet. Tell me now, say wetin these children now see they go do hookup for? So now you don send me the number now. I wan call them make I know actually whether it's in na true abi no be true.
Even small children dey even wetin dey even change the funds wey this man dey give him children. Soft
Imagine money wey dey give him children 200k 150k when I dey small, when I dey school nobody. Good evening.
Hello?
Please, am I speaking with Esther?
Yes.
Okay, my name is David. I just came to Asaba yesterday, so I've been there alone. So I actually met one of my friends there. So I told him that I need a girl for hookup because I'm actually lonely there. So I don't know. The person now refer me to you, now give me your number. He said that you are available. So I don't know.
Are you okay, young man? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
What's the meaning of this now? Which one is someone give you my number? You need a girl. I don't understand. Who gave you my number?
No, that one doesn't matter. I'm paying you for this. I'm not doing it
Who
free.
gave you my number? You're telling me that one doesn't matter. I don't understand.
Now wow. No be like that now. No be fight something. Are you in or
I
not?
could just call person, tell me say someone gave you my number for hookup. I don't understand.
Auntie, sorry.
Who you be? Who gave you my
I
number?
say my name is David. I'm actually.
No, who gave you my number? Who gave you my number?
Auntie, are you in or not? Make I know. No be fight something.
Okay. How much can you pay?
Now you dey call me just the rap for me.
I beg you, leave that one. How much can you pay?
Okay, actually na 100k.
No.
Which one
Can you pay 200k?
Which one be 200k again? Say na land I dey buy.
Oga, now you call me say you need girl wey go dey with you. You go pay 200k or not?
Auntie, no be land I dey buy you. No be full woman being I dey buy you.
It's 200k, please.
Okay, fine. The 200k no be problem. We dey two, so I don't know if you go fit find another person. The person wey you trust very well, wey you know. I no want any. I don't know whether you get.
Okay, I'll come with somebody.
Okay, you come with somebody.
Yeah. Yes.
Hope say you know the person very well.
Yes.
Okay. See wetin go happen. I go drop the location for you now. I go text am for you with this number now. I go text am so that you go begin come there now come meet. Abeg no take time, abeg.
Okay.
No wahala, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
This girl serious.
But the girl is serious. So guys, please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to share. Okay guys, make I call him papa now because him papa been tell me say once any news come Make I give am feedback.
The man go vex for him daughter.
No, the thing dey somehow na your papa. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, have you been able to reach them?
Yes, I've reached them. They will soon be on their way coming.
You can imagine. Do you mean that my daughters are actually coming?
Yes, they are coming. They are coming, sir.
This is unbelievable. I will not believe until I lay my eyes on them. Alright?
Don't worry.
If it happens to be true, listen to me. If it happens to be true, you let me know. I'll give you authority to flog the hell out of them. You go beat them. You're gonna spank them all. You hear what I'm saying? You spank them all. I give you the authority. Once you find out that they're really into this hookup of a thing, you make sure you deal with them mercilessly. Don't spare any of them because I spend so much money on them, and I wonder why they. Oh, no problem.
Sir, take it easy, sir. Take it easy, sir. So, take it easy. I'll make sure I'll video everything. I'll make sure I'll drop the video for you on WhatsApp.
Oh, just call me. That will be better. It's better you call me.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
It's better you call me. I want to see for myself.
Okay, no
like
problem.
I want to see for myself.
Thank you. It's okay. Man, rush go do other things. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, guys. The papa say, make him give me the authority. Say, make her spank them, make her flog them. So, guys, where my car? Let me close the charger. Okay, we'll go inside, go pay for the room. Hi guys, we dey inside the hotel room now. Don't come the hotel room. So like this now, they tell me say they dey road they come for the last time we have been called them. So now I want still call them again. Omo, and it's getting late already. It's really getting late. This almost 9 o'clock. They never see come reach. I don't know whether they whine me or wetin. They tell me say they dey come. Ma call them again.
Hello?
How far wetin dey sup na? Why una dey take time like this now?
Sorry, we are just at the gate now. We have the hotel. We just reached now. We are coming. We have the receptionist.
Only you dey gate, only you dey reception. Which one I go take now?
No, it's me. It's me and my sister.
Where una dey reception abi na this thing?
We are at the reception now.
Okay, tell the person say na room 04.
Okay. Alright. 04.
Hello? Yeah. And then day 2, thank you. Abeg, camera hide. Yes. Camera hide. You know the call. Sorry, no phone. Mona sit down like big Jesus. Sit down like person wey wan do na. No dey fear. I been never lodge before carry woman. See dey play. So like this na one. Oh God. So guys, please as you're watching this video, don't forget to share. Thank you very much. How good. Person wey mama im papa dey pay 200k every month, 150. Me wey be say I think say 2k, 1k sef I never even see a month. But this one your papa dey give you. They don't go on the chat. Hi. How are you? How are you? People are looking good. Yeah.
What did you guys so long now? What's the name now? How you doing? Wow. What's your name now? Esther.
So how you people doing now?
Fine. You didn't tell me you guys were free.
My guy just called me. Tell me say one. I know guys. You know, say na guys now. I know guys leave am behind now.
Okay. Then you're going to increase the money now.
Which one is that we're going to increase the
Yes,
money?
no,
I'm paying you high now.
No, you're going to increase it now. You guys are free.
No, wait now. I mean,
At
200K.
200K now.
No, you told me you guys were two.
Oh, this one I really know.
Okay, fine. That one no be problem. But I will go and after we finish, I will pay. Abi.
No.
I never even.
You haven't even started anything. You haven't
No,
come
make
on.
a transfer now.
This one serious business. Now wow. Which person account? I did my transfer the both. I be my transfer separate. Okay, my transfer.
Yes.
Now okay, now you be the senior.
Yes.
Wow.
Wait. My sister be this.
Yes. Yeah.
Your
Okay, younger sister.
Yeah.
hey, wait, it's good.
But you my spec. Oh. I love them big.
Okay, like them be.
Oh, I love big. Yes. You my spec.
Okay. Let me put the account number. So 600. Is it my increase and to how much?
300.
Like 600K OT, like I beg.
Yes.
We're sending 500. 500.
No.
500.
No, I'm not a pity person.
So we not waste time, oh.
300. Which bank?
This one we don't dey transfer give now. Hope say we are no stress also.
No one dey hear. I spending me. Oh.
No, now.
We are more than this.
Okay, you
You
come.
said people. Oh God.
Wait, they mean say in a password.
Like three of us.
Three
now.
of us.
Yes, you can handle it.
What do you see? Oh God.
It's a which bank?
Union Bank.
Union Bank. Is it Esther Water?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
More imagine 600K.
OT law like that. Oh.
It's your fault now. You told us two.
I don't send that. Check.
Okay. Let's go and change.
Which one is let's go in and change again?
Yeah.
Change it again. No be here sit down do the transfer.
No, now. You want to say I'm on this. You want to go in and change.
Then I here I stay do transfer now. You see me come.
Forget it.
It's not the same thing that we're going to still do here. Exchange you dey take time.
You go there or go there here change.
No.
Which one be there change?
You want to say I'm on this.
Wait, what's the difference?
But no be see the same thing. No be.
Take time.
So wait, let me ask you a question. What is the difference between changing here and going inside?
Go
They are
inside.
still doing the same thing.
Why
It's the same thing you are still
We
doing.
don't want to say I'm on
Please,
this.
just have to go inside and change, please.
Oh, wow. Okay now, no problem.
Okay.
Very small children. God forbid. Very small people. Very small. You see how they small. They just say they go handle 3 guys. You people should be fast now.
I
Now-
got you. Wow.
It's good. You are still putting on your bra. Abi na we go lose the bra.
Yes. Hey. I be once in pay for that one job.
Abi we go pick up to unlock that one too.
Alright, sir. Alright.
Go inside bed.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what I need to work with?
So who is going first? You go for me.
Yeah, I love the big one. Which one do you want to go first? This one. So see what happen. You go first with. But me, I like the big one. I'll first go for the big one. Oh, there you go. So you will help cover your eye.
You don't need to waste time, guys.
Let's go for him first now. Why you won't go for me? I mean, because na me pay. Na me pay.
I better go.
Okay, no problem. You like it raw, Abi?
Yeah.
You said you like it.
You like it raw. Hey. No, we can't do it raw now. Let's add something.
No.
Which one?
Like?
For all the money they don't give you a joy, no.
No. See, we are not doing it. We're not doing it raw.
Okay. Anyway, Sha, I'm not going first. Actually, I'm not going first. He's actually going to go first. So this is you. Buckle up now. Remove your clothes now.
Let's get down to business, bro.
So be fast now.
You should might be fast.
Like.
You choke.
Wow.
Now we call now. Hey.
Easy. We are not there ready to collect.
Nah, second world war.
No, people, we can't do it. I can't do it.
I calm down. No be done with the
But give me this. I need to see there.
Yeah.
Share the wine. The wine. More.
Just give me some more time, I beg. Jesus Christ.
And the guy was sent to finish.
No, I beg now.
Let's
We go charm.
You want?
Wow.
Hello, bro. Good afternoon. I'm fine, sir. Sir, the thing is ready, oh. You know this person?
Jesus.
Which one is Jesus? Do you know the person?
Do you know the person?
Jesus.
You know this person? Why they shout? Wait first. You said this is your dad. Don't the towel that one side there. Don't the towel one side there. Man, turn the camera. Make your daddy they see the children there. See the children they were born. Children where they give. Send una go school. Una come dey do hookup. Sir, you don see am. You don see am say wetin your children dey do. You don see am say wetin your children dey do. Say na true. Wetin that means say the person wey report this thing for you no lie, dey see them. Your father dey outside dey suffer for you. They give you wey dey here 200k. That's not small. Wait first, hold on. I want to hear. You say make I flog them. Make I flog them. Lie down. Wait, give me one flog them. You like it raw? Lie down. You like it raw?
After they don't pay on a bar, not to give you smart, no, you smart.
Wait, come on, lie down here, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. I say me lie down. As soon as small reach. It's okay. Mona come dey go transfer my money back.
Jema, collect that money back last day.
Take this thing, transfer your money back.
No. See, no flog them. See, no flog them again. See, no flog them again in case of anything. Make the papa come back and flog them themselves.
They charge 600K.
Give my
They charge 600K.
They won't do this one. No be 3 son again. Na 5 son.
As na small like this.
As na small reach.
Jesus Christ. You must see this phone don't break, you go buy am. You see this, you go pay for this phone.
They don't break.
They don't break, but see my phone screen. Una go pay for this phone. You see, una go pay for this phone.
Hey, UBA.
Una get caring father. Where
they cater for now. Where they give una wetin una want.
You know wetin be 200K. 200K every
They give you 200K every month.
Some years like this, they always fee.
Just imagine, that's una dey.
Each
Just
month
imagine.
200K, 150. You still dey do work.
Come pass here, go wear your clothes.
As you tell this game, send me my money for my phone. You don't break my change my give me come on, give me my account number, give me money to my phone.
No collect money for them.
When they give me money, I go work my phone.
Leave am.
See the phone don't blind, now wetin dey talk now.
Where that clothes come out from that place, come dey go. See, I give you. No.
See life we don't get.
You know wetin dey sup. You know we dey for villa. You know people dey even give you this 1K or 500. Say me use for yourself.
If you even talk 500, I dey small like this.
Papa dey outside.
In papa store say they struggle, they make sure say they dey alright. Na because of them, in papa go outside.
See their 2 rats. Say them go fit take care of 3 of us.
If you take care of 3 of us, imagine. Charge them small.
My friend, people should be fast and leave that place.
See them.
I go pursue na comot like that. Na dey waste time. I go pursue na comot like that too.
But I spend that day. I will wipe your everything on my phone.
Shake children away papa dey work for. Still dey. You dey understand that? Don't be like say person dey work for you na him still dey pay you.
Get this kind of fun. My life never change.
Omo.
But if always get one same money, man, I go. This thing, I know go finish my money one business.
This girl dey like.
Leave am. I will give you money. Make you work out. Leave am. Which kind of rubbish? Mona do come out now. Carry on.
Don't carry everything. Get that from here. Carry your. No, carry your bag. You dey mad. Carry your bag. Come out from here. You get that.
Where your?
See your slipper.
Touch me. Come on.
Back on that thing now.
See their hair. Idiot.
See people wey their father 600K, half a million.
Wetin come up for 1 million, bro? If 2 months later, someone don't make that money. Wetin their father dey do there?
If I see this kind of thing, they make me dey cry, bro.
Guy, we want.
Imagine guys, just imagine say these 2 children where they see there, they are not up to. The other one is 18 years, the big one is 18 years, and the small one is 17 years. Then they do 2 of them, they do hookup, they do rubbish.
Every month, your father dey spend 350K.
350K every month for them. Me when I dey small, even my sister self,
We will struggle.
See, cut the video, cut the
struggle
video,
for
cut the
make
video.
money.